Hello mga ka-foodie and welcome to my YouTube channel. Here is another keto recipe that I would like to share. If you love Chicken Alfredo pasta, I'm sure you will love the Zoodles Chicken Alfredo. I'll start with the zucchinis, cut both edges. Then we'll use the zucchini spiralizer to make the zoodles. I bought this spiralizer at Kroger, but I'm sure you can find this one in some leading supermarkets or on Amazon. Frozen zoodles are also available, and fresh one as well. Here are the ingredients: zucchinis, heavy cream, bacon, chicken breast, parmesan cheese, white wine, ground pepper, minced garlic, minced shallots, and salt. The ingredients you see on the screen can also be found under the description area of this video. Let's cook the bacon. I won't use cooking oil since the bacon already contains fat. Once the bacon are cooked, we'll set them aside and let it cool before I chop them into pieces. I will start sauteing the shallots using the oil from the bacon. After about 30 seconds, mix the minced garlic. Once the garlic are slightly brown, mix the sliced chicken breast and let it cook for about 2 minutes. After about 2 minutes, pour in the white wine and let it reduce. What I mean by reduce is to boil down by half and the wine is going to get slightly thickened. Once the wine is reduced by half, pour the heavy cream. As soon as the heavy cream is boiling, add the shredded parmesan cheese. Stir it so it won't stick to the pan. Then add salt and pepper. And of course, you have to taste it. Let it boil, then you can add the zoodles and mix it. Do not overcook the zoodles so they stay crunchy. I find it easier to mix it with 2 wok spatulas. Chop the bacon and mix it with the rest of the ingredients. Make sure the bacon has cooled off before you chop them. Add the bacon and do a final stir of the Zoodles Chicken Alfredo. There you have it, guys. A healthy option when you are craving for a chicken Alfredo. If you enjoy my video, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will be notified when I have a new uploaded recipe. Thank you, Foodie.